For Sync Media Network, we're here at NAB broadcasting live, and now we're going to get a tour of the NAB Show Live control room. So stay with us. We're going to try to stay on as long as possible, and hopefully you'll enjoy everything we're going to show you today, and our speaker is going to guide us through at any minute.
Just move around everywhere. Not Los Altos. No. I don't know everything about the area. We haven't written the biography, bud.
Hi, I'm Victor, the tour guide.
Victor, there you go. Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Larry? Anthony. I always remember all these things. No, what happens is my memory goes. You, sir?
Brendan.
Brendan, pleasure. My memory goes down and depleted, so I won't be able to answer anything.
Oh, it's a quiz for us to remember your name, Victor.
Right, yeah. Well, it's Victor. If you like me after, if I do well, it's Victor. If I don't, it will be like Susan, whatever you want.
No, you're fine.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for coming to the NAB Show Live studio tour, produced by Broadcast Beat. Our executive producer is somewhere around. It's Ryan Salazar. My name is Victor. I'll be your tour guide, and I'll show you around and show you the latest technology and fun gadgets that we have. This is a block diagram on how we're set up. We have cameras in the live stage out there, podcast studio 1,500 feet away, and post-production room upstairs where we edit the video. These cameras are by Lumens. They're all NDI. The switcher is also NDI. The audio board is IP. I'll give you more information here. You can take a picture if you want for reference. Let me give you more information here. Most of our control room is IP based, but I'll share with you how we're integrating SDI baseband to IP as well as Dante audio. Starting off, we have our audio engineer there. She's taking a break because they're going live soon, but they've been working since this morning. She operates the audio board from Lowell, LAWO, and that's a company in Germany that makes excellent audio consoles. That's the NC Squared 36 model by Lowell, and it's IP. It's integrated also with the Mutech switcher, and the Mutech switcher, which we'll talk more about, controls also the audio board. They're both interface. The next item, back there, behind the switcher, is a little controller. It's not actually off. It's in a sleep state. It's called the Scarhoy PTC controller, and it controls the cameras that we have here in the studio, in the podcast room, and in the editing. Yeah. Okay. There. You can step forward more. You're good. Okay. There we go. Okay. That controller is made by Scarhoy. It's called the Scarhoy PTC controller, and it controls all of our 9 cameras across the convention. All of them are NDI, and the magic is that, for example, the one in the podcast studio all the way 1,500 feet away, they're getting the audio and video and controls and everything via IP, via the network infrastructure. There's no coax cable or anything like in the old days. Even when they were in the old days. Anyway, everything's coming straight through without any hard cabling. Strictly through IP, NDI based. And again, those cameras are made by Lumens. Next, the switcher is the BMC1 by Mutech. it allows total integration. Steve, our director, technical director, has incorporated almost everything into the switcher that we're going to talk about, and he has control of it. The switcher is 100% NDI. Then by UTech is the VMC1. Steve can control the cameras and control everything. He has the Scarhoy PPC controller linked to the switcher. The display panels, you can see there are by Flora Broadcasting. They also are the owners of the clocks, the timing clocks you see there. The controllers and there. They're average uptime, downtime, time of day. You can put whatever numerical value you want on the clock. The company that they own, the company name is Albany Belt, B-E-L-T-E. Next, we that's Steve. Hi, Steve. He's saying that's Michael, that's Diana, and Adam. The next item there you see is that laptop. It's just a regular laptop. It there you go. Wow.
We're jumping around. Go ahead.
The laptop is, oh boy, yeah, zoom on him there. He's a clown. He's just missing his makeup. The laptop is running the supers for Steve to super in when he's not clowning around. It gets the supers, the fonts, and everything from the website. It's running Rundown Creator, and it's getting the fonts from RundownCreator.com. And Christine, our producer here, is managing the supers as well as the prompter. The prompter is also by Rundown Creator. We're linked to the website. We're getting it live via the cloud. All the fonts for prompter also. Speaking of the prompter monitor, the prompter PC is down there, just a regular PC. And it's running Rundown Creator website for the prompter. Out there, you'll see it when we go to the studio. In about 15 minutes, we're going to have a live show, and you'll see it working. That controller over there next to Steve, the green lights, that's by Linton, and that actually is the controller that controls the prompter unit. Made by Linton, the track. You see a track there with a Lincoln pedestal pneumatic, and the prompter monitor on top is by AutoCue, and it's getting the prompter from the web into the AutoCue monitor. Of course, run by Christine. But the amazing thing of the track is that it can move by Linton. It's called the hexagon track. It can move the prompter to any position it needs to. Steve has control of that. The controller is the main controller, but he has it incorporated in the UTech switcher. So all he has to do is press a button, and now the joystick becomes a controller. Again, that's the Lincoln hexagon track with auto-cue prompt running Rundown Creator software for prompter. We have here the TVU Network's backpacks. The monitor is up there, the one with the first one with the green and white text. The TVU Network's backpacks help us get IFB program audio back and forth to the talent and also to the guest. So the producer needs to be in communications with the host and the guest if they need to, and that's wirelessly. It has six cellular cards each backpack, and that's how we get ISP. The only cabling would be the wireless pack that they have connected to their ear. It works very well. We're going to be using it when we do a live. Okay, we put a camera on the Oh, look, that's them.
It's 13. I didn't eat. I didn't.
That's them.
Mine, so you can have it. Are you sure?
Believe it or not,
No,
for the
no,
last
I
2
won't
days, I haven't seen them free at all. They have been. They started. I understand it's for your team, but I figured after 3 o'clock, everybody's seen it. Today is actually American. Today even I got it.
I went to tours.
So I'm glad to see the resting. Okay, where were we?
Oops,
Oh yeah, no, that's fine. I was talking about the PVU backpacks. Next, we have the below the prompter monitor there. We have the ankle encaptioning system, ankle system, closed caption encoder for closed captioning. It utilizes AI, and it basically monitors the stream, the audio stream, and converts it to the closed caption protocol for broadcast and for IP. Ankle systems, that's the ankle encaption. Again, on the broadcastspeed.com, all the manufacturers that we have here, plus others, on the big wall there, you'll see all
You can see all the great equipment and how much it goes into production of any type of show. And the big screen up above is in the studio on the other side where they're going to be broadcasting. And not too bad when you get in an award.
That's the closed caption device. Below, another ankle systems unit, that's called the MOM. The MOM, there's also a tab. We'll talk about that later. The son and daughter, I don't know. But seriously, yes, that's the MOM. We utilize the MOM specifically for sending our feed. Right now, we're not live, so we have that video playing. So we are able to send, thanks to the MOM, we were able to send that video anywhere that we selected in the convention. And it's all IP-based, no cables run. Could be 2,000 feet away, and they're getting it. So across the convention, this Broadcast Speed produces this. We're part of them too, and they're our partners, and we're very happy about that because we share anything we do with the entire conventions. The other MOM from ankle systems. That's it for the control. Upstairs, we have it's closed off because they have the four edit things, all running Avid Media Composer, and they're getting the videos that our film crew are shooting here around the convention center, and basically every video they shoot,
what we're going to do is I'm going to send it back to you in the studio, and we're going to take a walk over to 1,500 feet away. They're doing the podcast booth, and we'll see if we can get a tour of that too. But hopefully that was interesting for you all. You see a live version of what it takes to put on a show. Everything is in hard case boxes for transportation. It's portable. It takes a lot to do it, and here we are. We shoot everything on our DJI gimbals, including the pocket gimbal, and we're broadcasting live and streaming live. So I'm going to send it back to you in the studio, Eileen. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We'll give you one shot of what the studio looks like. They're getting ready for the next meeting. These are the products that they were using. Back to you, Eileen.